Hello guys, today I will show you how to change font size in Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. Now, on this page, you're going to first of all navigate to your site. So I will click on go to website here on my dashboard. Now, this is the website that I want to change the font of. As you can see, I'm into the website section. Now, in order to change your website's font without any code, you'll have to just click on the Site Styles button at the top right. Now, this will show Site Styles at the right of the screen, where you can see you have themes, headings, colors, buttons, forms, and different options. Now, you'll have to simply choose fonts, that is heading. You can click on this small arrow icon. Now, the heading of your paragraph is here. You can choose what kind of heading you want, but in order to change the size of the heading, that is the font of the heading, you'll have to basically use this base size tool. You can click on the minus icon and this will decrease the size of your headings text. You can increase the size by clicking on the plus icon. Now you can go back, then you can scroll down and choose this another page. Now, as you can see, I've just scrolled down and I will click on, for example, this page. Now it is showing paragraphs. So when you click on any of the text that is already available on your website, it will show up the settings for that paragraph on the right side of the screen, where you can easily choose the weight, style, line height, letter spacing, and different options. So you can choose to decrease the size of this paragraph by clicking on the size button. Now you can choose paragraph 1, 2, and 3. You can choose this small bar. You can click on this small circle icon, scroll it to the right to increase the size of this paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. So as you can see, when I choose to increase the size of paragraph 2, it will look something like this. You can also increase the size of paragraph 3. So basically navigate to your website, choose site styles, select the text that you want to edit, and you can use the tools that is provided at the right side of the screen to increase or decrease the size of your fonts on Squarespace. So that is how you change the font size in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.